Hey there, it's Tony Sargent from My New York TV. New York City. It's just starting to snow out there, and take a look at that. Buildings in the background, that's the financial district. Probably a few hours later, that is going to be all white. It's now 8:30 at night, and the snow has really set in now in New York. It's cold and windy. It's 11 p.m. in New York City. This is just the snow is blowing horizontally. This is looking west. Normally you could see the river. And from this view, normally you would see the whole downtown skyline, but there is nothing. You can see the snow blowing. I'm tempted actually to go to Times Square. Wow, it's actually getting more intense. Here's a look back at 8th Avenue. Look at that snow just blowing. It is snowing like crazy tonight. It's 19th of December. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to venture out into this blizzard to see what New York looks like in the blizzard. Let's see if I can get some pictures without ruining my camera. So here we go. New York City snowstorm.
This is Jane Street in the West Village. The wind is howling right behind my back. This is the snow that's piled up in literally like 4 hours. You can see it all like just blowing there. See that? This is West 4th Street. Snow is coming down. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is Marc Jacobs store. The Christmas tree in it. They've got another Christmas tree right here. Here I am on Bank Street in the middle of the snow. It's starting to lift a little bit, but look at these cars. The wind has been howling all night. I came across this scene right there, and that is so gorgeous. Look at that. Bank Street again. Wow. It's getting cold. My hands are really freezing. It's Marc Jacobs stores. This is Bleecker Street and Perry. Here at the 14th Street station, snow is even blowing into the train station going up to Times Square. So just got off the train on 50th Street. This is the number 2 train. She's trying to hold it. She didn't do it. That's the train leaving. I'm going to take you up into Times Square in the snow. This is Broadway between 49th and 48th Street, getting into Times Square. So I am standing at the north end of Times Square, right in front of the TKTS booth. December 20th, it is beautiful, the snow is falling, it's amazing. I'm loving it. This is Tony Sargent from New York. My New York TV, I can't even speak, it's cold, it's windy, you don't even feel how deep the snow. Look at these cars, it's all white streets here. Yeah baby, white Christmas and holidays for New York City, and that's looking at where the ball will drop on December 31st. It is cold, it is windy, it is snowing, and I am in the middle of New York City in Times Square. So the red steps are all covered in snow. The snow coming down. Let's go over to Rockefeller Center and see how that is. So I'm walking to Rockefeller Center. See if they've got the lights on the Christmas tree. And unfortunately the lights at Rockefeller Center were off. I had to stop for a second because the wind is just howling. Sorry. I'm at the corner of 50th and 7th. I'm all bundled up. I've got about 4 layers of top stuff on. I've got long underwear. I've got jeans. I'm taking my gloves off now, which is a big mistake, but walking into the wind, which is going west, it's absolutely nuts. It's like, it feels like you got pins and needles hitting you in the face. The rest of my body is warm. It's just right around here is just feeling like little tingles. All this snow that's hitting us, or hitting me in the face. But I am loving being out here. This is like so cool. But here you go. Here's some more snow. Cabs. Still, like Midtown, you don't really get the effect, but there's all the snow. Look at that. Just came into Familia's Pizza Parlor. Get a slice of pizza. Pizza. Are you just waving at you, pizza guy? It's nice and warm in here. The windows are all fogged up. There's the snow out there. Taking a fresh pie, putting it in. That's our pizza man right here. Got me my pizza. That's the pizza man?
I'm the service man.
You're the service man. Well, you got me my pizza. Thank you.
I don't think I can end a better New York snow day, snow night than doing this slice of pizza. Getting my hands all warm again. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Times Square and downtown and Rockefeller Center. I probably look like garbage right now, but it's 2 in the morning, and I wanted to let you know what it looks like in New York City right now, December 20th, 2009. There's a snowstorm out there, and I hope you enjoy it. This is Tony Sargent, MyNewYorkTV.com.